All right, this is crazy. So my good friend Andy Bell, he actually invited me on to set for this little commercial where he's driving a Mark 5 Supra, and he's actually going to jump it 150 feet into these boxes right here. So we're in San Pedro, and I've shot a lot of cars here. I've actually shot the Toyota Corolla camera car right here, like right in this parking spot right here. But I've never actually done an actual production here. For example, we actually shot a GTR here also, a R35 Bayside Blue GTR. But we shoot here all the time, but we've never actually done an actual production here. Pretty much every time we just kind of bring the car, get some shots in, and then we leave. But this is crazy. We got a big crew here, almost 100 people on set, and it's kind of a big deal. But I'm in this lifeguard tower actually, and we're gonna get an interesting angle here. I got my 7200 set up on a 1DX Mark III. I got my 400 that I'm gonna handhold actually from all the way back here on a 1DX Mark III, and I have my third 1DX Mark III, or I have a 1DX Mark II sitting on the rocks across there, getting another angle. And then of course, because I need some more help, this is such an important shot, it's only one take. I got Leaf on a 400 and a 7200 behind the jump, and then I have Luis on the side with a 1740 on the 1DX Mark II, as well as a 135 on another 1DX Mark II handheld. So we got a lot of cameras going, got a lot of moving pieces, and the video guys, same thing. They have angles all over the car, inside the car, all of that. They got a drone up in the air. It's gonna be a one take. You know, they can't reset this because Andy actually, he's actually jumping the ramp at 70 miles per hour into the boxes, and hopefully, if everything works out, he's gonna pop out the other end, and then we're gonna actually head to downtown LA after this. It's a pretty long shoot. It's gonna be pretty hectic. So hopefully it works out. This is like intense, and I wanted to film earlier, but it's just been so crazy. Like everything's moving so fast. We got here 3 hours early to set up, and then with moments to go, we're still testing cameras and setting up and all of that. Part of it is because everything is moving so fast. You know, we don't want to set up a camera and then it turns out it's not a safe place, or the video guys need that spot for whatever reason, or safety, because you never know. You know, if Andy gets stuck in there and throttle's pinned, you know, who knows, maybe the boxes will catch on fire or whatever. Safety crew has to come in and extract him. So yeah, I don't know what's going on right now, but he's gonna do some practice runs for now. I'm gonna see what's going on here. It's pretty nerve-wracking because you keep second guessing yourself, you know. It's like, oh, what if I was on that tower over there? Or what if I just put the 7200 down there? Like, would that be a better shot? Because it's like the reveal. But yeah, it's like, as you can hear on the radio, everybody's going crazy. Like, drone's going crazy. Gio, my really good friend who's a first AD, he's going crazy, so they're practicing. Yeah, tell me if you guys like these sort of behind the scenes videos when we're actually shooting, when we're actually doing heavy shooting. This is kind of like the only time. It's the only time that I can really kind of show you guys behind the scenes of what we're actually doing for work. But this is one of those fun days, but it's super stressful. Like, I feel it in my heart. I need to get this shot. Oh my god, it just happened. This is insane. Oh, he's in there. Alright, let's check it out. Oh my god, that was insane.
Was it okay? Just like, did it look so
Can you do it again?
You can't see.
Yeah.
Backwards and blindfolded.
Yeah.
Reverse
do it again.
blindfolded.
I guess I'm much better.
Larry Chen, did you get it?
I hope so. I didn't look at my pictures yet. So. Oh man, this is insane. Look at the car. Oh wow. Tire blown out. Gabe, what'd you do?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Dude, sir, please. What did you do to this new car? How come it there was so much like powder or smoke when it hit it.
Yeah. On the
Oh, they
ramp.
put it on there.
Yeah,
Okay. All right. That's why.
right at the end.
It was such a surprise. It looked awesome.
I forgot about it.
Yeah. That was super cool. God, look at this.
They ripped that off.
Oh. Oh, you guys balanced it and everything.
Pretty cool, huh?
Incredible. The verdict, got 7 cameras running. Luis was running 2 of them. And then Leaf was running 2. I was running 3. And then guess what? 7 cameras, 6 of them fired. 1 of them did not fire, and I'm pretty upset about it. But you know, that's part of it. That's why we run 7 cameras. But surprisingly, you know, it wasn't as damaged as I thought it was going to be. But yeah, we're going to keep going. It's going to be a long night. We're going to go to downtown LA. We're going to get some shots of Freddie and Ken drifting their Supras. And of course, Ryan Turk's going to be there too as well. He's a Toyota athlete. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. We'll bring you guys along the whole way.
So, I mean, you can make it. But you guys
What a crazy rig. All right. We're down here and oh, shoot. I'm in the shot. Damn. Ken, we got a competitor for you. Ken, we're trying. What do you know about drifting, bro?
Is it this versus that?
Yeah. this versus that. This versus that. Yeah.
Oh, dang, you scared me. Oh, I just fixed that car.
What should we talk about?
I don't know. What do you want to talk
What are we
about?
gonna talk about?
We're here in beautiful downtown LA.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
so beautiful. I
The
feel
smell of urine, very, very
Like,
strong.
yeah. I feel like I was just telling them that I feel like we're in a scene of like Final Fantasy VII or something. You know what I mean?
This is more like Fast and Furious, sir.
Oh, Fast and Furious. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is not Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. This is Fast and Furious LA Drift.
LA Drift.
Yeah.
We're about to make that happen. La Drift.
Yeah. So you just got your car together, huh? Look at
Yeah. It was so last minute. So 4 days ago, on Monday morning, I get a call from Steph. He's like, "Hey man, you can borrow my engine. Just, you know, make it to the shoot." So that day, I had to go pick it up. I was there at Steph's shop as he was putting the cams in the engine. Took it to the shop, had it in by Monday night. Tuesday, started wrapping up everything. Wednesday, took it to Gretty. Had Jojo dyno tune the car, and here we are today, Friday, for the shoot. So it's been a crazy 5 days. 2 a.m. nights every night.
Yeah, but then you're gonna have another 2 a.m. night because you're gonna drift late into the night. Here.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna sound amazing, honestly.
All the echoes in the buildings.
Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Yeah, are you gonna
Can't
get the
wait.
shots?
I'll try, man.
Hell yeah.
I'll definitely try to get the shots. I can't promise I'll get the shots, but I'm gonna try my best. So we are in downtown LA right now, and as you can see behind me, it's Frederick Osbo's competition actual Formula Drift Supra. So we're gonna get some shots of this. We're gonna get some shots of Ken in his A90 Supra. But yeah, we just saw Andy jump that Supra. Man, it's just so crazy, just jumping in and jumping it. It's just insane. Like that's what you do. That's like somebody's job, you know. It's kind of crazy. But anyways, with that said, I'm stoked to be here, stoked to be able to get shots of that. That was super stressful. So now we're in downtown. It's a little slower, but it's a lot of low light stuff, a lot of city things that we're gonna shoot, and I'm always excited to shoot this kind of stuff. What? This is so cool, dude. I'm fucking having a field day right now. This is like the dream shoot.
Downtown LA with our weapons of choice. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 Supras today. And yeah, we have the entire city blocked off from...
You stole my vlog?
I'm sorry. Oh man, we have the entire city blocked off from the 10 freeway to the 101 to the, what is it, the 110 to the, basically the entire downtown. And you know, for a small town kid from Norway, this is pretty big. And you know, any day that Larry gets this excited means it's something big.
All right, so we're out here downtown LA. We had a police escort from our base camp. We got 4 Supras, 2 of them legitimate, actual Formula Drift Pro cars. We got Frederick Osbo, and Ken here. I'm gonna get some stills. These are actually gonna be used for their press release purposes to kind of release this car for the year. And then the Sweatpants guys are gonna get some precision driving things with the actual Supra street cars. Check out this rig. This rig is so cool. It's gonna be able to get really stabilized shots of the Supra with the city lights and everything. So I love being on these kind of productions, and our side, the still side, is definitely a little different than the video side tonight, but tomorrow these guys are gonna shred and it's gonna be amazing. This is insane. So we've shot here so many times. I can't tell you how many times we've shot here, but this is the first time where we have it completely locked off both ends. We have 5 officers helping us do these shots. So we're like missing we're like doing 2 shoots at the same time. We're shooting upstairs with the drift cars. These guys are shooting down here, and now I'm gonna shoot down here with the drift cars while they're shooting. Alright guys, day 2, we're back at Grand Lower, and we got Goosh's car right now. They're warming up, they're about to do some drifting. Frederick's car's here too. They're doing some pickup shots with street Supras, and yeah, we're finally gonna be able to get some shots of them driving. I have yet to get shots of this thing drifting. I'm definitely excited to do that. In this livery at least, and of course Ken too. His livery's not finished, but it'll be cool to get shots of Ken's car in this state. I'm vlogging. Steph's looking at me vlogging. How are you guys?
Good, how you doing?
Hi. Vlog. The vlogs. He's on out.
What's up, dude?
He's a very important man.
I'm a nobody in a big world.
Don't say that. You gonna get dressed or what?
Yeah, it's time.
Nice. It's time. It's time. Got the Russian arm here. I'm vlogging. We're vlogging.
Yeah, vlogging, baby.
The smell down here is insane. It's just a bunch of race gas fumes. The guys are getting in, strapped in. They're gonna do some practice runs, and hopefully we can knock out some shots right away. So we've been shooting the street Supra. Ryan has been driving it. He's been doing this corner like a million times.
Sick.
The nice thing is I've been able to practice this corner with a street car, so I kind of know what it should look like with a drift car. Oh, here they come.
I feel like we get those all the time, but like downtown LA, we're in this tunnel, it's now filled with smoke, just hooning it up, lap after lap, with the biggest, burliest drones in the business. I mean, this is like Freddy 5-year-old speaking right now.
Freddy 5-year-old, it's Larry 5-year-old too, man. I get to watch you from the outside, I get to photograph you. Crazy. Crazy.
That was dope.
Crazy.
That was really dope.
Crazy.
I liked it.
Love that, huh?
I love it. The man, the myth, the legend, the shooter. All right, so it's after midnight and we just had lunch. So what time is it right now? It's almost 1 a.m. downtown LA. The caravan is in a different area now. We're gonna pretty much do our last pro comp car drift shots of the night, and it's essentially gonna be on the upper side of where we were just underground.
Copy. You can be just a bit north of.
What's up?
What's up?
Background, dude.
Dude, sick.